What's going on, everybody? It's Jamie. Welcome to the channel Thrift on Fire. On today's video, I'm going to be doing a store review of Restock Canada. Now, this is a liquidation store online. I'll link it down below. This is the first time that I've personally bought from them, and I spent $491 on 61 pairs of shoes. Yeah, so I sell on eBay, Facebook Marketplace, Poshmark, a little bit on Amazon. None of this will be going to Amazon, honestly. Most of this will be sold on eBay and Poshmark. But let's get in the pallet and see what we got. Okay, so they shipped UPS ground in these great big boxes here. Here's the lot number, pairs of shoes. This is the really good stuff. And we'll go through this stuff real quick. This is the lower value stuff. Lots of good stuff here. Here is where they get you, and I'll explain that in a minute. Before we get too far in the video, I wanted to say thank you to all you guys for watching. If you like videos like this, please give it a thumbs up because it helps drive the video out to more people. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, please consider subscribing for more content. Now, let's get to the boxes. So in my opinion, this is kind of where they get you with the amount of items. So obviously you're not going to get 60 pairs of $100 pair of shoes or anything like that. So I get 66 items. I have 25 pairs of these. They are leather bottom. They are nice. They are brand new. I'm gonna have to figure out what to do with them. They sold originally for, where's one here? Okay. They sold in some store, wherever they came from, for $17.99. On Amazon, these sell for about 20 bucks for similar items. On eBay, they look to sell for about 10 bucks. So I have 30 of these. No, sorry, I have 25 of these. So 25, if I get $10 a piece, that's $250. Well, let's just, 250 bucks, that's pretty good, but I mean, these are gonna be long tail items. And then of these other ones that are in bags, these are also Big Star, and there's another brand somewhere in here, but they are the exact same thing. Yeah, here's the other brand right here. These ones retail for 16 bucks. And I think I have 10 in bags like this, 10 pairs, same thing, about 10 bucks. So, you know, already we're looking at, there's $350 just in these. Now these are not good items. I don't really consider these $350. If I can get even half of that, I would be happy. These are basically items that are gonna be, you know, I'll sell what I can and I'll donate the rest. So we'll go through the kid shoes first here. The adult shoes are in the big box. These are all this exact same shoe, different sizes, 12K, 11K. They are junior size. They're called a Rush Pro Junior QL. They originally retailed for about $90. They look like they were on sale wherever they were for about $70. I'm gonna try to get about $40 a piece. And I'll throw a similar item up on the screen so you can see. These are brand new, super clean. They're just kid shoes, right? All brand new in box, still with the tags, pretty awesome. So 8 times 40 is 320. So I've got $320 just in these kid shoes alone. Do I think these will be super fast sellers? No. I will throw up similar or comped items so you guys can see, but I do value them around there based off of what I've been seeing on these shoes. Okay, now these are infant shoes. They are New Balance, and there are two different types here. I'm not exactly sure of the brand, or sorry, not the brand, but the make, because it just really says the IT519cc, and I'll let you see that right there. They did retail new for about 65 bucks. They were on sale for about 45 wherever they were. I'm still going to try to get around $40 for these as well. So here we go, the New Balance, right? They're pretty cute, to be honest. Pretty awesome. They are Velcro. They are brand new. I do think they'll sell for about 40 bucks. Now let me show you the other ones here. These ones are IT45BG. Couldn't find an exact comp of these things as well. I'm not sure how I'm going to sell them. These are the black pair. Well, I'm going to sell them on eBay and Poshmark, and I will figure that out. And I do value them around 40 bucks as well. And how many do I have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're looking at about $280. Not bad. All right, so now the first box is empty. So let's get into the big one here. Okay, so I'm seeing something right off the bat. This one didn't fit in the other box, so I actually have an extra one of these small New Balance. I think this is probably the blue ones, yep. So I have 8 of these, so it's not $280, it's actually $320, the same as those. Now, do I think those are gonna be super fast sellers either? Definitely not. But really, realistically, if I did sell all that stuff right there, that alone would get my money back. and this would all be pure profit. So let's see what side this box. Okay, these are the only three that do not have boxes. So let's start with the Wilsons here. They are still brand new and looks like they retailed in store for about $150, if you guys can see that. They're pretty cool. I do believe these are the Chaos 2.0s or something like that. Big Wilson hit on the side, on the back, I mean, and they are a good size. I think these ones were like US size, let's see if I can see that. US size 8 men's. Cool shoes. I think I'm going to sell these for about $25. I'm not a big Wilson fan, but I do like that webbing on the side. If they fit me, I probably would wear them, honestly. Next up, let's talk about these Asics. I couldn't find this exact colorway sold, but I did find a pair much like this, but purple. They are the R555Y Asics. They're a smaller size. I think these are a women's size 5. I'm not sure what they retailed for originally, but I do think I should pretty easily get about $50 for these pair right here. And these are a pair of New Balance 996s, new without box. The bottoms are brand new. This one does have the original retail price of $150. Conservatively, based off the sold comps on this guy, I'm going to value them around $50. And if you look at the prices that I'm going to be telling you I'm going to sell stuff for, I'm going to sell things a little bit on the lower end. So I'm going to call these new without box and probably try to get about $50 plus shipping. So if you're new to this channel, if I'm saying $50, I'm probably going to realistically sell them for maybe $65 free shipping. A lot of times I build in the shipping price. So if you were looking to buy these, it'd probably be about $65 free shipping or $50 with shipping. But either way, those are going to be some pretty nice shoes for somebody. All right, we got a couple pair of Asics here. These are women's size 9. Let me get them out of here. These are awesome. These are so awesome. These are brand new in box. Retailed right there, you guys can see, for $180. Wow. Brand new in box. These, what are they called? Resolution 8, I guess. Yeah. Good size, women's 9.5. These bad boys here are going to sell somewhere between $100 to $140. So yeah, pretty awesome. Really excited about those. Another pair of Asics. They're slightly different. I forget what they're called. Canyo 25? I don't even know. I'm definitely saying that wrong, whatever it is. Regardless, brand new in box with the tags. Couldn't get any newer than that if you tried. Sells for about $90 to $130. So when I'm telling you $100 to $140 or $90 to $130, when I give you numbers broken down at the end, I'm going to take the lower number to be conservative. So when you hear numbers at the end of the total, this is going to be considered $90. So I got 3 pairs of these Solar Glides, Reeboks, yeah, right, Adidas. I believe they're part of the Boost family. Got the foam bottom. They're all brand new. So these ones are missing the top of the box, but they're in the proper box. This one is US size 7. This one is bigger size, I believe, US size 11. This one says, yeah, retailed originally for $190. Yeah. So these guys here, I'm going to value around $70, and I'm not going to ship them with the box, or at least I'm not going to list them with the box. I might leave them in this box when I ship them, but I'm going to call these new without box. And this one's new with box, and the difference is this is probably going to make it worth, I don't know, $100 to $130. Is that right? No, that's not right. Let me just take a quick peek at my paper. Yeah, I was overshooting there a bit. These are probably worth $80 to $100 with the box. So the box does make a difference. Yeah, couldn't get any newer than that. These are US size 10. Yeah, it's got the little Boost hit in the bottom, so definitely part of the Boost family. Makes total sense. So pretty awesome. So $70, $70, and then we're talking about 80 to 100 right here. We have another pair of these Adidas Pure Boost, 170 retail. These are called Pure Boost Go W, and they are green. What size are they? US, and let's get the tag, cool. US size 5, they're green, kind of an ugly color, but I do think someone will buy these, and I do think they're probably going to be worth about $80 to $100. So yeah, so far this palette is pretty good. Like obviously the first bit of stuff is going to be harder to sell. The ballet slippers or whatever they are, and the kids' shoes won't sell fast. But when you get into the adult stuff here, they're all worth, you know, $80 to $130. and they're all stuff that is going to sell pretty fast. So I'm happy with these, brand new in box, you know, $80 to $100. We have two identical pair of New Balance Fresh Foams, same colorway, right? Brand new in box. Super clean. These are cool. What size are these? US size 10. They retailed for $150 originally. And I do think these are still going to be a good $100 to $140 pair of shoes. I didn't find an exact sold comp on these. I will throw up the listed, but the listed ones are listed a little higher than that. So I think if I sell these for around $100, I should do okay. Next up, and the last two actually, we have a couple of Nikes. Now these ones are pretty cool. They are called, what are we calling these? Nike Air Zoom. Can't get the sticker to come over, but it looks like $140 brand new. Nice pair of Zooms, right? Super clean. I don't even think these things have seen the light of day, to be honest. Pretty nice shoes. I was surprised that they're only worth about 75 bucks. Still very nice. I was hoping when you see Nike, sometimes you're hoping for like, you know, some pretty high-end stuff. And I was a little disappointed with this one too. These are a pair of Air Max Wild Cards. They retailed for $120, which is nothing to sneeze at. I couldn't find an exact sold comp. There's all kinds of weird listings around the internet with these on them, but I do only think they're worth about $50 to $70. They are pretty clean. Not pretty clean. They're brand new Air Max, right? Women's size 5, so not a huge size either. Pretty cool. Couple nice pair of Nikes to round things out here at the end. So there are quite a few items here. Obviously there's supposed to be 66, and I think I actually got 64. I was pretty happy with it. So my estimated value here was $2,850. Even if we go ahead and subtract the $350 for all of these, which I kind of consider to be not no value, but super low value, going to be hard to sell. So if we even subtract the $350 from there, that still leaves us with $2,500 profit, minus the buy cost. And like I said in the beginning of the video, the buy cost was about $441. So let's go subtract that. $91, pardon me. Leaves us with a profit of $2,009. Now that's nothing to sneeze at. I do think that all of these, and these will sell a lot faster than the kids' shoes. But all in all, you can't really complain with that, turning roughly $500 into $2,000. So overall, what do I think of Restock Canada? It's pretty good. The shipping was the first little trigger that something was a little off. Okay, so $90 for shipping. There's supposed to be 3 boxes. They printed a label. There was some sort of error either with them or UPS, and my original label was void, and I never got new updated tracking. Luckily, it did come. I ordered it Tuesday, I think, and I did get it on the Friday, so it came fast enough. That was fine. They shipped 3 boxes. Somewhere along the way, it got transformed into 2 boxes. I think I paid about $90 roughly for shipping or something like that. I'd have to go back. I'll throw it up here where you can see the exact shipping cost. I didn't think shipping was too bad, but I didn't really like the way that they handled the void tracking number. Other than that, I got 2 less items than I was supposed to. I didn't expect to get all those slippers, and obviously that's sort of something that they didn't even show you were going to get, so that was kind of a little bit shady, but in the end, I still have a lot of great stuff to sell and good profit. And like I said earlier, if I even just got rid of the ballet shoes, I still think it's a pretty good buy. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. There's nothing left for me to do but get all this stuff listed so I can try to get some of my investment back, but I do really appreciate you guys watching. Until next time, take care, stay safe, see you soon, bye-bye.